This is your building. Go for it.
There's the most random MIC orange truck just outside. Added on there.
I didn't even realize there was only fixtures on one side.
Oh. I found that out real quick.
I thought you had a side too. Why does this one look different? This one looks like I fixed it.
Mirror.
Mirrored everything.
Whoa.
Big bump. Dover Impulse originally. I never rode these when they were original, but the service car is a different story.
I do have a few of these.
Yeah.
I see now.
They got these cabs before they were modernized, actually.
Yeah.
That's from what I found out. 4th floor. Want to try to get the other one?
Oh my gosh, I thought that was probably actual people. Hey, don't pose on me.
Should be letting you press the button. This is your place. Here, you
I
take
don't
you,
care.
you take over.
No, no.
All right, I'll just stand in this corner and I'll pretend I'm not here. We almost got busted in the other building.
And because I don't really want to kill it.
These are just modern. Okay. Yeah, they got the Siemens stuff here, or Pyrotronics. Yep. Yep. All right, look at this. Oh wow. Yeah, well, yeah, there is PTO. What the heck? You get.
Interesting.
Lights up too. It's got the Dover indicator. Does it work?
I say yes. Alright, prove me otherwise.
Or it does. All right.
Okay, that's for the famous thing.
Best elevator in the place. Here we go. Ooh, new light. All right, listen to this roaring motor. I love that motor. Basement.
Just hear it paint.
Okay, I'm gonna try to look for this plate. Never mind, it's
Okay,
not.
well, James tries to tear up the carpet.
And it's not as
It's
easy.
probably right here.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's the Burlington plate right there. Might be one on this side too. Yep, these are Burlington.
Could probably pull up this easier.
Yeah, I don't know if it's on that side too. You want to do another ride at 4?
Just wanted to see this.
Scaredy cat. That's amazing.
Scaredy cat.
I heard someone coming. One. Yeah, one hour opens backside.
Has a backside?
You didn't notice? There's literally a door in the
No,
back.
I know. But I thought that was called rear door, not backside.
I guess. You could call it rear. I think it opens into a loading bay, I'm not sure. I think it did. Dover Impulse? I think all the lights were replaced since the last time I was here, I don't know.
All of them are. All of them are LED now. It's just like a tiniest room.
I like these indicators on there. Those are cool indicators. Here's the service. And there are the modded passengers. I'm just gonna ring one of the chimes. Yep, we're not gonna bother with that one. Alright. I got all elevators here, I imagine you have too. And that is a push this way. That's strange. Alright. That was your building. That's it.